Welcome back friends. In this video we will try to install KDE Desktop using the terminal on ClearLinux. So we have already installed the ClearLinux with advanced options in the last video. So now spinning up the ClearLinux VM. So this is the login of the ClearLinux VM. So now we will input our, what we can do is we will change the session. Let us go on GNOME on VLAN, input the user password. So we are now logged in. We will directly start the installation of KDE Desktop using the terminal. So open the terminal, input the syntax command for installing the KDE bundle, sudo swupd. So this is the package manager, bundle add, bundle dash add, desktop.kde. So to install the KDE desktop dash KDE is the syntax. So you have to input. Now it will ask you for the sudo password. Input the sudo password, enter the password. So it has started loading the required manifest. So our installation is on way. In the last video we had tried to do the installation. Of course I have not uploaded the video, but I did the experiment, but it could not install the install because the updater was locking the packages, so the install did not proceed. Then I had to stop. There was some issue with the last VM, but this VM it is working fine. So I had installed this VM using the default ClearLinux template available in GNOME boxes. Earlier in the earlier VM we had used custom settings like 4 GB RAM and 25.1 GB hard disk, virtual hard disk. But in this VM, which is working perfectly, we are using even less RAM. So we are just using the 2 GB RAM and I think 20 GB of virtual hard disk, which is the template for the ClearLinux in GNOME boxes, but it is working. So it's good for us. Yes. So now it will download the following packs, that is desktop.kde, sddm is the display manager, libxl, xslt, gpgme, qt basic, qt core, hardware bluetooth, x11 tools, xterm, x screen server, x11 vnc, desktop dash kde dash libs. So these are the KDE libraries, KDE dash frameworks 5, libqt5 web engine, the K system guard, console, kdiff3 and the dolphin. So already it has I think downloaded 5%, so it is quite fast. So total download of the packs will be around 521.52 MB. I think it should be completed in the next 10 minutes. So we have to do nothing, just wait for the installation to complete. Then I will stop the video here, and in the next video we will do the review of the KDE Desktop that is being installed in this video. And after that review of the KDE Desktop, we will also try out the XFCE Desktop for ClearLinux. So I like to do videos in a sequence. So what happens is, if you follow the proper sequence, you get a better knowledge of the distro that we are checking out. So you get a all-round can say review of the distro. So what happens is, in some other channels I have seen, they do one video, then they do the video for another distro. Then what happens is, yes, you get a refreshing change, but then the continuity is lost. So I am trying to maintain the continuity so that our channel becomes a big educational champion. So if any user want to learn Linux, they will always come towards us, because they know that we will do the videos with a viewpoint of learning. Download of the software bundles has been done. Now it will validate the downloaded files. So it will check for the integrity, and then it will install the downloaded files. No extra files need to be downloaded, so all the required files are there. Now installation of the files has started now. Installation of files has completed. Now the post update helper scripts will run. So the installation of KDE Desktop has completed for the ClearLinux using the terminal. We stop our video here. Thank you for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell button, otherwise you will miss the new videos that are uploaded every day. We upload around 1 to 2 videos every day. Also try to communicate with us by commenting and sharing your pleasures and displeasures about the video. If you want any topic to be covered in the videos, do share the topic of your choice in the comments of any of our videos. We will try to cover that topic in a video on our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.